Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Charlene and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I install my wig using the the ball stocking cap method. So you guys, I tried this new braiding pattern and it really helped out when I install my wig. I don't know, it worked out and I'm really surprised. So now I'm going in with my Got To Be freeze spray just to make sure that the cap is, on my scalp. I'm not good at this voiceover thing. I apologize. You guys, it was so hot in the bathroom. I was like, okay, I need to blow dry myself before I blow dry this cap. Okay, so I just use that and then I'm gonna go ahead with the blow dry to make sure that it is very much so secured. And then once it's done drying, I'm gonna go ahead and go with my scissors to cut the excess stocking cap off. When it comes to that point, I try my best to make sure it aligns the shape of my head, but I almost cut my ear right there, but it's whatever though. And then I go back in with the spray because it was kind of lifting once you cut it from your ear, because that little part right there, right there. So you have to make sure you go back in with the spray and the blow dryer and everything to make sure that it is secured. Okay. So I'm cutting it up, and then I'm gonna go back again with the spray to make sure that it is secured, that the cap is not going anywhere. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go with the eyebrow, what is that one called, the eyebrow thing? That's not a tweezer. Oh my gosh, the little razor thing. Oh my gosh, I can't think right now. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and go with that. It made it easier because I'm left-handed, so I didn't know how to cut that other side without my hand being all in front of the camera. So yeah, I'm cutting off the excess of the cap. Now you can use any color you want to. You could use a lighter one, a darker one, whatever one. As long as if you have a lighter one and you're my skin tone, just put like foundation on it. But I didn't feel like doing any of that. But you can though. And I'm just gonna go back in again with the spray to make sure that it is, a spray in the comb to make sure that it is secured. And yeah, go back in again with that one. So if you guys are new to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button or subscribe to see more of me on your timeline. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and go with some alcohol. I got it from the Dollar Tree for $1, and I got some Q-tips, and I'm just cleaning around the perimeter. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on just to make sure that everything fits. I've installed this wig before, and I've gotten it installed before. I'll show the video to show you guys if you guys want to see. I cannot speak today. What is going on? But you already see how like it already looks so real. Like whenever I wear this hair, people think it's my real hair. I'm like, baby girl, thanks, but it ain't mine. I mean, I paid for it, but it's not mine, So, and I think my hair is a little bit longer than that. It's not as full, but it's definitely a little bit longer. But I'm just putting it on. I'm brushing it to make sure everything is good, to make sure the flyaways are gone. And now I'm going to go ahead and go with the Goss. I can't speak today, you guys. The Ghost Bond lace glue. I got it from my local beauty supply store. It was like $15, like $14.99 plus tax. So I'm just putting like one coat, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go with the blow dryer to make sure, make it a little tacky. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go once more with it. Yeah, I'm gonna do it one more time, do it one more again, and I think I blow dried it again, and to make it like a little bit tacky. I like to use this method because okay, now I'm installing the wig. So like when it comes to installing the wig, you can start from the middle, or if you want to go from like the left side to the right side. But I messed up this time because I usually start from like the right side of my head all the way to the left, but this time I started in the middle, and I was like, oh my gosh, I am messing up. I done fumbled the bag, the ball done dropped. And I'm like, this always happens when I'm recording, but you know what? I try my best to make it work. I mean, it worked out in the end, but it was just looking a little messy. I was like, oh my gosh, I did not stay up this late for this video. And then next thing you know, I'm messing up. So yeah, it was a mess. It was messy everywhere. But I like to use this method because when I go to work and stuff, I don't have time to be doing my hair every day. So I just do it, and it lasts a whole week. So like I do it Saturday night, and then I take it out Friday night, and then I let it wash. And then Saturdays, I'm just like chilling with no wig on.
Targets, and if I'm not, I can kind of make tweaks here and there. Okay, so let's break down my section on the 2020 budget. So I've broken it down into my income.
So this is what it's looking like. It's not really the next day. It was like a couple of hours after because I was so tired. And then I just went back with the alcohol to clean it up with my scarf. And I'm gonna go ahead and try to cut some more baby hairs and then go in with the mousse and try and make an attempt at doing baby hairs. I am the worst when it comes to baby hairs, but I did what I could, okay? Judge me not. I did what I could. The first time I did baby hairs, it came out better than this time. But you guys, everything that could have went wrong in the process of doing this video went wrong. I was like, wow. But you know, you see how the blendation of this wig is like. Whose hair is it not? Oh, okay. I paid for this hair. But I did, this side really did suck. Like I sucked at doing the baby hairs on that side. I was looking like, girl, what is you doing? But then I'm gonna go ahead and tie it up again, and then I went to sleep. And then the next day was Sunday, and I went to church, and I already had like this is the next day after church. I came and I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta show the results. And I'm just gonna go back in with the, what is this one called, like the heat protectant spray, and then go in with my flat iron, and then just try to flat iron the hair. I went into sections of the front part of the hair just to make sure it was like more smooth and stuff. But yeah, I wear this for a week, and it stays for the whole week. And then I take it out, I breathe, and then I put it back in. But do you not see the blendation? And I really love this hair. This hair is from Rpghair. I really love this texture of this hair, and I just can't wait to get a different length again. But yes, you guys, that's pretty much how I install this wig, and I do this, you know, once a week. And yeah, I really like this hair. Now I'm gonna go back in and just style it, do the baby hairs, put some got to be spray on the front so that we can have like a little bump. And that is the final product. Do you see this? Like, the wig is, baby girl, the wig is sitting tight. And then I know the back did not I thought it was perfectly straightened, but it wasn't. But that's the finishing product, you guys. Let me know how you like it, and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. God bless.